Now these mats, heat mats, they actually make one for map gas as well. These have existed for years. They're glass fibre. Used to be asbestos back in the old days. Don't know how much of that I breathed in, but anyway, glass fibre now, asbestos free. Nice mat. Now my friend Dean, who is a carpenter, he fits a lot of kitchens. He got really fed up with seeing scorch marks where plumbers had soldered a pipe that went through the back of the units, and they just, because you can't get the mat round it, because if a pipe goes through the wall, you just can't do it. So he decided he was going to put a hole in the mat, and that's what he's done, put a hole in the mat, and then he thought, okay, we need a little flap up behind it to close it off. So now you put that over your pipe's sticking out the wall, and you do your little solder. Happy days. And believe it or not, he didn't invent the mat, but he invented the hole. He's actually patented that hole. Clever man. Clever man.
Dean?
Dean.
And where's Dean now then?
Dean, well, you know, he's still calm.
Is he on the beach somewhere?
He's still fitting kitchens. Not enough plumbers use these mats. Get in there, the Omat from Monument Tools, and a great little device. I don't bother using the ones without the holes in now, because there's so many occasions like this where you can just slip it over. Does the job, doesn't it? Because there's a hole here for pinning it, but that means you've got to make a hole in the wall. But yeah, great thing. Good on you, Dean.